Hey guys, what's up? Welcome into the farm, and today is the gorgeous, beautiful day. If you can blend those two words together, I wonder what it'd sound like. A gorgeous day. Yeah, but it's a gorgeous day out here on the farm. And today we're doing not my favorite task. We're weeding some beans over here. And as you can see, Dan, Led, and Dave have already started slaving away over here. So let's rip and roll. Ugh! Hate grass. Got the world's worst stirrup hoe. About as full of garbage as a John's disposal garbage dump. Wait, did he say there's corn poop up here? I'm very skeptical.
Corn what?
Raccoon.
Okay, that is disgusting. Corn.
Yeah,
Look.
Gross.
How much corn did it eat?
I was wondering where all our corn went to. Raccoon, if you're watching this video, don't do that again.
Yeah, tell that raccoon. Dude, if we planted that, it would probably grow corn.
Probably if we left it there, it probably would. We could plant it right now. We want to plant it?
Should we? Yeah.
Ready?
Whoa, no.
Yeah,
whoa,
don't
whoa.
touch it with the hoe, you'll
Dig the hole
contaminate it.
first.
No, you just bury it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's fine.
Like
so-
with... I don't want my hoe to touch that.
That's kind of gross. Wait.
You can touch that with your...
Yeah, I got it. You got it?
Dan, just use your bare hands.
Yeah, use your bare hand. Oh, whoa, you left a little bit.
Yep, you
uncovered
left
there.
some... Oh, those are my shoes. Gross.
Not even touch that. Oh, whoa, gross.
Ah!
Okay, guys, what
Overreacting,
is
guys.
it? Yeah, that is.
Just
gross. Wait, I just
grow
stepped
up.
on
Be
it.
a man.
All right, rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Hopefully you grow. Then we
Wait,
get
let's
free
mark
corn.
this spot right
Even though
across
they
from that
ate
tree.
it. I'd say it's about longitudinal 27.04567 point.
What do you think its germination rate is?
A negative 0%. I mean -4%.
Negative germination rate.
Yeah.
So basically, that's a -4 chance of coming up.
Yeah.
It's about $1,000 you can get out. That is kind of crazy.
That is disgusting, man. That is probably one of the more disgusting things I've seen today. Definitely. The most disgusting thing I've seen today. After I just ate breakfast too. I have a question. Does that make you want to go on a corn diet for the rest of your life like a raccoon?
No, I think I'm going corn-free from now on.
Corn-free?
Corn-free.
Except for this stuff, because this stuff is the best corn I've ever eaten. Honestly, I don't blame that raccoon for eating all this corn because it tastes so good. Yeah, just imagine that raccoon out there. He's got a pot of boiling water.
Yeah, if we look close enough, he probably has a stick of butter out there. He's buttering up his corn cobs.
Yeah, he's sitting there eating like ching, ching, ching. That'd be kind of funny.
Yeah, I would like to see that, honestly. It's kind of funny.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of gross, honestly, but...
Look, if the raccoons like it, you'll like it too. That's what I'll tell the people at the farmer's market.
Yeah, so we need to somehow catch that raccoon because it's been eating.
Yeah, I don't know.
What should we do?
Well,
we have that
the
raccoon
logic,
trap.
we don't have the raccoon trap.
Wait, we don't?
Well, that's kind of the problem.
Oh, wait, how could we make them though?
Well, have you ever heard like the old-fashioned way where they take like a cardboard box,
Yeah.
prop it up, and stick like an apple under there? But we would stick
Really?
sweet corn under there.
Oh. So
And then as soon as they hit the stick that props it up when they go for the sweet corn, they're trapped. Except for the fact that a cardboard box wouldn't work.
You just see a raccoon running around with a cardboard box over it.
No, you just see a cardboard box
Box running.
just like scooting down the road.
Yeah, we should totally try
That would be so funny though.
Oh,
Imagine
man.
just walking through the garden, all of a sudden you see
You
this
see a
cardboard
cardboard
box
box.
just going do 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 do. Yeah, we should. Oh, yeah, we should put like a speaker on there, and as soon as we sense movement, we can just start
Like, starts
playing.
playing
You know.
Well, which brings us to the point. We probably should set a trap though.
Yeah. But
The
which
good
brings
old
us
bucket trick.
which brings us to the point that
We don't have a trap.
we don't have a trap. Which
Which
brings us to the point that we
need
should
a
probably just start weeding.
Jerry rig.
Weeding. As much as great. I just took out a bean part. Well, guys, they're all working on the last row, so I don't have to do anything except sit around and watch, right, Dave?
You know it. Arrow strike to the heart.
Yeah. Alright, guys, that is it for today, possibly. We finished out these beans. They look spick and span. Hardly a weed left in them, other than the ones that are pulled out. Down here, they're kind of sparse. And up there, they're amazing. Reason for that being, so it gets very wet down here. So this is kind of like a no zone for planting. But up there, it's awesome. All right, that's it for today. See you guys whenever I see you next. Hey, my ride, my ride, my ride. Got a bucket. Stop! Thank you.